everyone, Tiara here with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today's soap was inspired by these little flower pot molds. Every time I go into like a craft store, like I went into Michael's and found these, I always look at their cake decorating section and their chocolate molds to see if there's anything cool and neat to design a soap around, and I saw those and thought it was just too cute to pass up. So I'm thinking cactus soaps in them, maybe some flower soaps in them. Today I am going to attempt cactus soaps, and I've seen these done in cupcake form, so I can probably do them in soap form too, right? This concoction that I'm just plopping in here, I'm trying to create like a terracotta color. It's not that easy. It's like a little brown, it's a little orange. So I've got some brown oxide in here, some sugar and spice that is from Nurtures, and some orange marmalade. And I'm going to mix that together and see what I get. I think I'm going to add a little more orange to it though. We'll give that a mix and add our lye solution. Happy with that color. The fragrance I chose for this is called Sage and Citrus. It is by Crafter's Choice, and it is a Yankee candle dupe. I don't know why I can never say that the first time. Mix this in, and then I'm going to get the icing together to do the hard part, which is going to be to decorate these and get them to look like cacti. So easy part's going to be pouring the bases, hard part is going to be decorating them, but I have faith that I'll get something. At least one of them will look like a cactus, right? Alright, let's start pouring. This fragrance smells delicious. I think it's very unisex. It has notes of lemon, lime, and clary sage, and it's just very fresh. I like it a lot. One of my favorite candles to buy from Yankee is actually the Sage and Citrus. I'm not going to fill these up all the way, almost all the way, and let them sit, and then I'll go get that icing together and we'll try our hand at decorating. So I've got two different greens set up to the side, waiting for them to be able to pipe. I did make some piping cacti the day before, and I'm just going to put those in this batter that's been sitting on a couple of these, trying to make each one a little different. So we'll start with that. And then I'll get a whole bunch of different icing tips. I think I pushed that one a little too hard. Over here, and just play around a little bit. that wasn't as scary as I thought it was going to be. Lots and lots of mess, that's for sure. I'll have lots of icing bags to clean, but it was worth it. I thought it was a lot of fun to just do each one of these a little differently. Only problem is they're all going to be different sizes or way different amounts now, but it was fun. Very limited edition. I don't know if I would ever do these again. Adding some final touches with some white melt and pour, adding like some little stingers on here. And then when I'm done this, I'm going to go get some clear melt and pour and put some apricot seeds in it and pour it into the area between the dirt and the cacti in order to make it look like dirt. So that is the plan to do next. Ever wanted to wash with a cactus before? Here is your opportunity. Not every day can you say you can wash with a cactus. Alright, lots of details. I'll let these sit for 24 hours and I'll come back and unmold them. Alright, these have been sitting for like, I don't know, over a week, so it's time to unmold them. Are these molds really, really cool? Like cooler than regular cupcake molds? Absolutely. Do they unmold nicely? Absolutely not. So they are still a little sticky. These molds are like a little more stiff, so it is not easy to remove these out of there. As you can see, they're a little sticky still. But I'm not mad at it. I think it turned out really cool. I really like the color that it turned out and the pattern that it made. And to be honest, I like these smaller succulent and cacti looking cupcakes like this one right here a lot more than I like this guy. But that's a personal preference. I don't know why I like these ones, but I do. It just seems like there's a lot going on in them. So they smell really good, they look really good, and I don't think I'll still be ever making them again. It was a lot of work. I might do something similar, but these are definitely limited edition, and my mother-in-law has already called dibs on 4 of them. So these will be released on the April 24th shop update, so if you'd like to get one, better be quick. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel and you like watching all the soap making, you found the right channel. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section down below. And until next time, I hope you have a very nice day. I will smell you later.